Sir, are you confident that there will be a favorable response to the application of your jurisdictional strategy?
I've said already in the media that I think it's a compelling argument, but the ultimate arbiters of that argument are the judges themselves.
Okay.
And it's not for me to tell them how to find, ultimately, what they believe is the correct decision, the correct judgment. I hope they will accept my argument.
Okay. Sir, are you confident that former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte will be brought back to the Philippines before even the confirmation of charges?
That is certainly my ambition, yes.
Okay. Do you have a message to the Filipino people who are closely following the development of the case of our former president that we love and adore, sir?
As I've told you already, just respect the process, trust us as his lawyers to do the job properly, and we hope that we will bring the right result home.
Sir, on behalf of the Filipino people, we are praying for you. We are hoping for a positive response or result through all of this. We can't wait to welcome our former president back home to the Philippines, and it's through you and your team. We always pray for you that God will give you the wisdom.
Thank you very much. It means a lot to me, and it means a lot to him as well. May I also say
Yes,
that I
sir.
have been following the proceedings in the Senate. I've even read the final report.
Yes.
I've seen the thorough work that has been done by Senator Amy Marcos. Mention has been made of the arrest, mention has been made even of the jurisdictional arguments. They are very compelling and they support our arguments as well. So
Are you saying, sir, that the result of the Senate inquiry actually favors the application of your jurisdictional argument?
there are definitely arguments that can be derived from that report and will be used. Reference will possibly be made as well.
Thank you so much for that, sir. We can't wait for you to tell us that your argument is accepted and the president will be brought back to the Philippines.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Yung pan.
Sorry. Sir, it is our pleasure and honor, really.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now I need to order
We
a
will help
taxi.
you. We will help you.
I
Yeah.
order a taxi daw.
No,
Mag-order siya.
let me do it, please.
Magandang araw mga ka-partners, mga kababayan. So yun po ang kaganapan dito sa tapat ng ICC sa The Hague, Netherlands. So napakinggan natin ang mensahe sa attorney po ng ating mahal na dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, ang legal counsel po na walang iba si Attorney Kaufman, mga ka-partners. So abangan natin ang susunod pa na mga kaganapan sa mga hinaharap ngayon ng ating mahal na dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Sir Alvin.
Ito rin ba?
Yes, ito po.
Mga kababayan, narinig po natin from Attorney Kaufman ang development ng kaso ng ating former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ipagdasal po natin palagi na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte ay manatiling healthy, that he is going to go through this, and that we need to believe sa legal counsel ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Narinig din po natin na next week, most likely they're going to file their jurisdictional appeal or proposal in relation sa case ng ating dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Also, kung nakita ninyo, merong mga letters na binigay kay Attorney Kaufman and he needs to go through it. It is a pleasure for him to go through it and ibigay kang dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, ipaabot ang mga mensahe natin. Guys, meron po talaga tayong laban dito. Ipagpatuloy po natin ang pagdadasal para sa ating dating Pangulo at sa buong legal team. Maraming salamat din po kay Senator Amy Marcos sa ginawa ninyong Senate inquiry in relation sa arrest ng ating former president. As mentioned by the lead counsel, meron po talagang bearing, meron ding mga references that will be made in relation sa report ninyo, ma'am. Mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat. Kahit marami ang nag-doubt sa iyo with regards sa sa purpose ng ng Senate inquiry na which is led by you, it so happens that it's also going to reinforce the efforts or the legal strategies that will be applied or will be availed of by the legal team of our former president. Mabuhay po tayo mga Pilipino hanggang sa dulo. wag po tayong tumigil talaga na suportahan ang ating former president. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you, sir. So, yun po ang kaganapan dito sa tapat ng ICC Detention Facility. Mula dito sa The Hague, Netherlands, ito si Anton Cero, ang inyong Global Citizen Correspondent, SMNI News.
Attorney Kaufman, we are going to pray every day. Can you, how many hours do you think?
Yan,
No
mga
idea.
letters galing
You're
sa
gonna have to help me load
supporters.
the taxi.
Yes, of course we will.
Once it arrives.
More pictures.
When you read through them, sir, do you have an sort of idea or sort of conclusion how loved he is by the Filipino people?
Are you interviewing me at the moment?
No. Just for your own.
Well, it's clear that
Yeah.
people love him. Otherwise, I've
Yeah.
never come across this type of thing in any other case.
Yeah. Also, the flowers you mentioned before, right?
Flowers have all gone off, I'm afraid. They've all gone rotten. I have to throw them away.
Thank you so much, sir.
Anyway, yeah.
And it's also heavy. It's not, yeah. It's not only,
Mga
ano
cards
ha, it's
kasi
heavy
yan.
actually.
Punong-puno.
They're all letters.
Yeah.
Letters and notes.
And I think there are
Guys,
gifts
grabe yung
also.
mga letters
Binasa
niyo,
ni
guys.
Tatay lahat?
Oh, hindi, babasahin niya. Guys, grabe yung letters ninyo. Oh, grabe kayo lahat.
Put that in the news daw. Ay, picturean mo yan pala.
Picture natin, oh.
Para ma-send sa
Just
ano.
open one up and we'll see if we can get something nice.
Yung letters din daw,
Okay,
pakipicture.
this is from Canada.
Attorney Kaufman, you are so loved by Filipinos.
All right, so let's do it.
So, sabi niya,
Okay.
mabait.
All right, so just by way of example, I'm going to read a letter from a family from Canada, Ontario. I won't mention their name,
Okay.
but this is indicative of most of the mail that we've been receiving. We will continue to support you, Tatay Digong. We will continue to pray for your health, freedom, and safety. We love you very much. Be strong. Do not lose hope. With God, there's always a way. Let's put our faith and trust in God's plan. This is from Ontario, Canada. And as I said, they enclose a message which I'm sure that they wanted the former president to have in his room in the prison. Do not lose hope, Tatay Digong. You represent the Philippine country. We love you. As you can see,
Yeah. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Nice.
Do you know Filipino words now, attorney? Tatay Digong.
Tatay Digong? I know. Of course I do.
Father Digong.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Salamat.
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 Okay.
Dami, no?
Grabe kadami yung sulat galing ng ano.
I hope you circulate that one.
Yes.
Please do.
We will.
Including this guy here. This is not my friend. You're from the other side, aren't you? Yeah?
Thank you, sir. Right, same person. Uy,
Halimbawa, ako balibol ba Attorney Kaufman? Eh?
Labor Day, he knows, yeah. Labor Day.
It's good that you have visa today.
Labor Day, Labor Day coming. Workers' Day.
Ikaw, ba't ka musto rin? Kurog-kurog din ko.
Tayo.
Ah.
Sergeant.
Sir, kamusta sa tatay? Sa iyo, pangutan na. Pangutan na siya ba?
Sabihin mo, paano pepper?
Okay, my guy in the right.
Attorney.
Oh, yeah.
Attorney ka muna.
Tulungan muna natin si attorney.
Ayaw niya.
Ayaw yung picture niya. Hindi pa
Dapat ninakawan mo kanina. Hindi nakawan niya.
Ayaw niya mapapicture.
Ayaw niya
Ayaw nga niya.
Ito talaga. Nakawan talaga. Wag. Hindi tayo magnanakaw. Kahit picture lang yan. Ano yung taxi na? Oo, nag-taxi.
Guys, daghang salamat guys. Sinaalag yoy. Update, Ginoo, maluoy ka Lord. Salamat Lord. Iampo na kay nagkurog-kurog na ginang uban diha. Attorney, mabuhay ka attorney.
Bye!
Mahal ka namin.